Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. See, last class we discussed function of a function or a composite function or a chain rule differentiation. In that, if y is a function of u and u is a function of x, then dy by dx can be written as dy by du into du by dx. Okay. Based on that, we have done 2-3 examples. Now today I will take similar theoretical part based examples, and such type of examples usually asked in the exam 1 marks question. Okay, differentiate the following with respect to x. First example, y equal to tan of 2x plus 3. Y equal to tan of 2x plus 3. This is the given function and it is function of function. See, this is function of function. First differentiation is tan, later differentiation is 2x plus 3. We can write at a time. Already I given so many examples in the last class. Please go through that. Okay, we can do this example. Differentiate y with respect to x. Then we will get it is dy by dx. Okay. Tan differential is what? See. Tan differential is what? Secant square. But this whole angle is another variable. That one we are writing as it is 2x plus 3. Do you understand? First we are doing the differentiation of tan. Tan differential is secant square. Angle right as it is. But this angle is also a function of x. Therefore, we are doing the differentiation of angle. That is 2x plus 3. Correct. Then we can write this one as secant square 2x plus 3. Correct. Into differentiation of 2 as it is x. X differential is 1. Constant differential is 0. Okay. Therefore, we can write this secant square 2x plus 3 into, okay, or else another very easy form we can write directly. Nothing is there. See, tan differentiation. Tan differentiation is what? Secant square 2x plus 3. Okay, we can do it directly. No problem at all. Next, do the differentiation of this. So, as it is, x differential is what? 1. Constant is 0. Means we can write it is 2. Secant square 2x plus 3 is the answer. Okay, in this way we can do the example. Okay, any one method we can apply. Okay, just write down the answer. One marks question repeatedly asked in the exam. Remember that. Okay, next. Next, y is equal to sine of cos of x square. Okay, this is function of function. See how many number of variables? 1, 2, 3. 3 variables. Means how many times we are doing the differentiation? 3 times we are doing the differentiation. Remember that. First differentiation, first we have to remove sine. Do the differentiation. Later on cos. Last possibility x square. I will tell you how. Just concentrate. Dy by dx. Okay. First do the differentiation of sine. Sine differentiation is what? Cos. We are writing as it is. Cos of. Okay. We are doing the differentiation of only sine. Therefore, we are writing this one is as it is. There is no changes in the angle. Therefore, we are writing as it is. Cos of square. Okay. Next, do the differentiation of d by dx of this angle. What? We have not done differentiation. That one we are taking. square. Okay. Next, we are writing as it is cos of x square. Differentiation of cos. Differentiation of cos is what? Minus sign. Therefore, we are writing minus sign of x square as it is. And last only one possibility left, that is x square. Therefore, d by dx of x square. Okay. Therefore, we can write this one as, take minus sign outside, minus cos of x square into sin of x square into x square differential is x. Okay. Or if you want, you can rewrite, take 2 first. Okay. What we have done? First, do the differentiation of sin. Sin differential is what? Cos. And the remaining one as it is we are writing. Next step is do the differentiation of cos. That is cos differential is minus sin. Next, do x square as it is we are writing. Later onwards, do the differentiation of x square. And this is as it is minus cos of x square, sin x square differential is 2x. Okay, or else we can write directly also. Okay, I will tell you how. See, sin differential is what? Cos of x square. See, if I done this differentiation means we have to write this one is as it is. Next step differentiation is cos. Cos differential is what? Minus sin x square. Only we are doing the differentiation of cos, not x square. Therefore, we are writing only cos. Cos differential is minus sin and angle x square as it is. And next x square. X square differential is what? 2x. Okay. Therefore, we are writing as it is. Means it is minus 2x sin of x square cos of x square. This is the answer. Within 2 steps we can write directly instead of doing this lengthy process. Did you understand? Here like this. First sin differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. sin ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು cos differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. cos ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು x square differentiation. Within 2 steps ನಾವು answer ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is how we can calculate. Okay, we'll take next one. Next one. Y is equal to sin of x square plus 5. Y is equal to sin of x square plus 5. Okay, for this we'll do differentiate y with respect to x. Then divide by dx. We do directly because I already explained so many examples. Okay, sin differential is what? Cos. Correct. Sin differential is cos. But this remaining one we are writing as it is. Cos of x square plus 5. But x square plus 5 is again a variable because it is function of function. Therefore, we have to do the differentiation of what? X square plus 5. Means we can write this one as cos of x square plus 5. Correct. X square differential is what? 2x. Constant is 0. Therefore, we can write this one as 2x cos of x square plus 5. Okay. First step differentiation, sign, outer side, simplify. Later onwards, inner side. Okay. In this way, you can do the example. Okay. Or else you can write it directly because this is 1 marks question. No problem. Okay. Next example we will take. Y is equal to cos of sin x. Y is equal to cos of sin x. See, this is also again a function of function. First differential is cos, later differential is sin. We'll do differentiate y with respect to x. Then we'll get this dy by dx. Okay, cos differential is minus sin, and angle we are writing as it is. But this angle is also variable, therefore we have to write d by dx of the inner side, that is sin x. Therefore we can write this one as minus sin of sin x into sin x differentiation. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Okay, just write down the answer. Next example, y is equal to sin of ax plus b. Y is equal to sin of ax plus b. Then do the differentiation. Differentiate y with respect to x. Okay. Then dy by dx. Okay. This is also again function of function. Very first step is sin differentiation. Sin is cos of ax plus b, but do the differentiation of angle ax plus b angle, correct? Therefore we can write this one as cos of ax plus b into a as it is because constant. Only do the differentiation of variable x. X differentiation is what? 1, and b constant, therefore as it is 0. Therefore, we can write a into 1 is a cos of ax plus b. A cos of ax plus b. Very simple hint, I will tell you. Nothing is there. Suppose if it is not a square, cube or fourth root, if it is a linear form, y is equal to whatever it is, sin, cos, whatever, I will take cos of ax plus b. Please just concentrate here. Y is equal to, if I take cos of ax plus b, we will do the differentiation of cos. Cos differentiation is what? Minus sin. Angle we are writing as it is. See, if a and b are constant, x is a linear variable. X differentiation we know that 1, therefore we can write directly 1. A into 1. A will get constant differentiation is 0. We can do it directly like this. We can write. Okay. Instead of doing this lengthy process, we can write it. Again, I will take another one. See, y equal to tan of ax plus b. Correct. And we know that tan differentiation. We know that tan differentiation is what? Second square ax plus b. Correct. A constant, b constant. X is the linear. Linear means the power of x is 1. If the power of x is 1 and its differential is what? Always 1. X differential is 1. Therefore, a into 1. How we can write? A into b. Therefore, we can write this one as a second square ax plus b. Suppose I will take another form. Y is equal to cosec ax plus b. Correct. Next, tell me the differentiation. Dy by dx. And we know the differentiation of cosec x. Cosec x is what? Minus cosec x cot x. Correct. Minus cosec x. But our x is what here? Ax plus b. Cot x. X is ax plus b. Correct. And this is this answer. Already explained. What it is? Into a. Or else we can write this one as minus a cosec of ax plus b into cot of ax plus b. Okay. Similarly, we can write y is equal to sec of ax plus b. means dy by dx differentiate y with respect to x is sec x differential is what? Sec x tan x, but we can write this is sec x is what? Ax plus b tan x ax plus b, and we know the ax plus b differential is what? A. Therefore we can write directly this a into sec of ax plus b into tan of ax plus b. This way, okay. Okay. These are the how we can write the example.